Okay, let's see, find the second smallest and second largest number in Python by using with function and without function. Okay, first we can see with function. We can use def function. Why? Because of it can define the function or function name. That's why we can use def second smallest second largest function. Array is equal to list of map of something. Why? Because of it can convert the map object to a list. Map object to a list is called list function. Array is equal to list of set of array. Why? Because of set of array can remove the duplicates. It can remove the duplicates in list and it convert the result back into a list. It remove duplicates and result back into a list. It means non-duplicate values. We can take if condition. If length of array less than 2, if condition can check the numbers are less than 2 or not. Return -1, it is the condition checker. Why? Because of if condition is less than 2, then return -1 and condition is greater than 2, it can return the second smallest and second largest numbers. Why? Because of array dot sort. Because of it can sort the elements in ascending order. That's why we can use ascending order. Here return array of 1 comma array of -2. Why? Because of second smallest index is -1. Okay, second smallest number index is array of 1. Second largest index is array of -2. That's why we can take this return function here. Here let's see second smallest and second largest. Okay, let's print for first one. Enter the list of numbers separated by space. 2, 3, some 4. Sorry. It can give the second smallest and second largest numbers in this list. Okay, let's see without function. Here we can take also array is equal to same as this, but we can use if and else condition here. Here length of array less than same as this condition. Here we can take without return function, we can use print function here. Else array of sort because of ascending order. Let's print. We can take with or without function, it can give the same answer because of logic.